Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Hold that up here, Nick, so I can see it. Oh my God, it's like a barge. Nady, pull it down. Down. Just down. No, not pull it back. Don't let him fall. Pull it down like this. Yeah, and on that corner. Pull that corner down. Pull that corner over there.
Okay, I'll help you, Nate. Since you help.
What is it, Nate?
Oh, man!
What?
Is that Mama?
Is that a kitchen set?
Yes.
Like at school?
And always.
And you got food. You got like a whole fridge food.
A little grill.
And you got an outdoor grill.
Hi.
Maybe, honey. Look what you got.
You like it?
Oh,
You like it? He's like, well, let's open it.
You want to
Okay.
open